My name is Anna Boardman-Hsue. I'm a globalization manager for a sustainable energy company that produces electric cars. Without technology, you can't deliver in a timely manner, and you cannot deliver quality. Enabling all the teams across the processes, across the life cycle of what we do on a day-to-day basis, you can't possibly do the job in a timely manner or with the expectations of quality. I think technology will evolve to incorporate a little bit more of the artificial intelligence to that extent. Artificial intelligence or machine translation are, to me, in early stages, and because languages across the globe are always evolving, machine translation is always going to be in a catch-up type of process or type of behavior. But over time, it's going to be more and more solid, more and more stable. So that piece of technology will enable the globalization teams to deliver whatever it is that they have to deliver faster and in a more reliable way.